Hello and thanks for joining me on another episode of Mibandit Podcast. We're going to be looking at a number of articles today, and I'm going to give you a quick recap of what we're covering today. I've got some new Yamaha launches, some new electric bike launches, which we're going to check out. We've got those on both the Yamaha press website as well as Wiser Dan have covered the article. We're going to look at that in more detail. There's a new release, Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. Looks like a bit of a beauty. 2023, a quick review on Wiser Dan. We're going to have a look at that article, as well as the Suzuki GSX-8S. So now we've basically got everything, haven't we? We've got everything all in between. Airbag jeans have come out. So if you want to keep yourself safe, we're going to have a look at airbag jeans and who needs an adventure bike. We're going to have a look at that as well. Did you know they've got covert security cameras out at the moment? So be careful out there, people, if you're riding. We're going to have a look at that and see what's going on there, as well as a quick buyer's guide for A2 motorcycles. So without any further ado, let's have a quick look at these articles straight away and see what we're seeing in terms of the new electric bikes. Are you a big fan of electric bikes? I'm not too sure. Are the new electric bikes something to keep an eye on? There's been a new release by Yamaha. They've got a booster. It's like a go-kart slash, electric bike slash a bit of everything, really. It does look quite good. It's basically a cycle. You know them special London bikes you get? It looks like that, but it's electric powered. Show us more of the bikes, please. Less of hair. They're trying to make it look like a replacement for scooters. It does look quite snazzy and fancy. Wiser Dan have done an article on it as well. And I think it is actually quite an interesting option. What do you think? I don't know. Would you? That's the electric bikes. New Yamaha booster. New e-bike range by Yamaha is what they're calling it. The new Yamaha Booster and Yamaha Booster Easy represent an expansion of Yamaha's e-bike range, as well as its first go at an S pedalic. Is that a specific type of pedaling? The two new Yamaha e-bikes models have been launched with the new Yamaha Booster and Yamaha Booster Easy. I don't know about that. So Yamaha launched its e-bike range last year with the gravel mountain and urban models, but especially the new 2023 Booster differs from 2022 Yamaha e-bikes. Okay, so for example, the Booster models use Yamaha's PWS2 drive unit, providing 75 Newton meters of torque, whereas the motors produces, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of electric bikes, to be honest with you. I think if I try one, I probably will like it, but I'm not really massively into it. I think it's all about the motorbikes. So what do you think about the old motorbike situation now? Yamaha Tracer 9 GT 2023. It looks like a bit of a beauty here. Obviously, touring situation. The updated Yamaha Tracer 9 GT boasts more tech, revised ergonomics, and radar-assisted cruise control for 2023. Are they getting too technical with these? We just want a bike, mate. They're trying to put like bells and whistles on it to make it feel like you're getting something new. I don't know if they need to do that. There was once a time when the biggest, baddest sports bike were at the top of the technological tree. Now, though, it's the sports touring and adventure sector that's got all the best kit and goodies. Yes, I think it is, because you're getting a bit of everything. You're getting comfort, you're getting rideability, you got luggage space. Because come on, when we're going out, we've got cameras, we've got stuff. We want to take a couple of layers with us. You need space to store it all. So maybe this is a new way go forward. I don't know. Overview. It's an option. It is an option. But I don't know if I would consider it. To be honest with you. I think I would. But the prices are very expensive on new bikes. Maybe I'll get like a used option on one of these. What do you think? Let's have a carry on reading. Okay, so to sample Yamaha's range, topping race Tracer 9 GT, we headed out to Sardinia for a double header launch with this bike and the new 2023 Yamaha Nikon GT. That's an unusual name for Yamaha. We had a fairly lengthy ride around Sardinia on some of the best roads I've ridden in Europe. A perfect playground for Yamaha's latest, greatest sports tourer. Okay, so colors availability. Oh, wait, we've got prices here. The new 2023 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT will be landing in showrooms in June 2023 with an RRP of £14,910, including on-the-road charges, side cases, heated grips, quick shift, and everything else mentioned here are all standard fitment. Oh, two colors will be available: power grey as ridden and... Okay, so can we get like an overview of... is there any like a... Okay, yeah, I was hoping for like a quick overview. Here we go. Full color, radar assisted. Okay, so here we go. The price is snazzy, 14,910. 14,910. So is the new GT9 Tracer worth it? It's basically, as standard, you get all the kit you need with it. You get a few additional options in colour situations. It's priced at £14,910 in the UK. You've got a nice full colour 7-inch TFT. It looks quite nice in grey and black, I have to say. Radar assisted cruise control with multimeter wave radar, a radar linked front rear assisted undefined brake system. So basically like the EU system thing going on with the braking. Improved KYB semi active suspension. So the suspension, latest version of Tracer rode in 2021, although for this year Yamaha has gone to town on the system, adding in what could be a world first on motorcycle of its capacity, a new tech suspension system. So 2023 Tracer GT review. Okay, is it B-road riding heaven? Basically, that's your overview on that. Price and spec. I don't know. What's up next? In the same situation, Suzuki's also dropped a 2023 release in France, Suzuki GSX-8S review. So Alex is out on the France to ride the Route Napoleon on the 2023 Suzuki GSX. If you're watching the podcast version of this on the video, you'll see the images as I come along. But GSX looks quite nice, to be honest with you. Think of the MT range. It looks like that kind of street fighter range. The mid-capacity A2 friendly segment gets the bit hotter with the launch of a 2023 Suzuki with a brand new 77cc parallel twin engine with 82 horsepower, a new frame and fresh ideas. Could this be a street fighter worth considering over the many alternatives and rivals? Okay, so price, what we're saying? Oh, okay. Considering we looked at a Tourer over like 15 grand nearly, Suzuki GSX listed at 7,999 on the Suzuki website. Whack on a few of the customaries and you're looking at about 8 grand compared to the Honda, which is a direct comparison Hornet. That's about 6,999, so there's about £1,000 in it difference. Finance deals available, color options, blue variants. Ooh, okay, so we get like an overview of what engine power. The new Suzuki V-Strom, something reviewed is similar to that apparently. So luckily, our route originated in the center of, okay, beach. Give me your overview. What's your overview on this? Suspension and brakes, all in the new frame with steel tubes and exposed rear subframe does a great job. Suzuki SV650 kind of vibes I'm getting. Finally, 17-inch Dunlop road sport tires, the naked commuter. Okay, likes and dislikes. There we go. That's what I was interested in. Should we give it a quick whack on the top then? So I reckon this new Suzuki is a good competitor to the Yamaha range. They finally released something. What is this? It's a 2023 Suzuki GSX-8. You can pick up one for about 8 grand. Likes based on Wiserdan's review. Engine is brilliant and it's a street fighter application. It's superbly easy fun. In metallic black, the style is spot on. Loves being ridden hard. So it's like the Suzuki SV650 kind of vibes. And the dislikes are firm suspension can shake you about. Dunlop Road Sport 2 hoops aren't great, especially when cold. Not too keen on the color range. Like, there's not a big range of colors. But overall, that looks like a nice little bike there. You've got your Honda Hornet as your direct competitor. So if you're not feeling this, maybe check out the Honda Hornet. But I did like this article. Wiserdan, well done. Oh. review. Quick review on the old Suzuki. I think there is time for improvement. Okay, this is where it's at. Rate of inflation. So let's have a quick look on the rate of inflation. Airbag jeans come to market. Now this is where they've done the jacket. I don't know if the jeans are going to be. We'll find out. So airbag jackets are nothing new, with the most major kit brands producing inflating safety vests designed to provide additional protection. You can wear under your leathers, casual jackets, or other off-road. Okay, how much are they? 499 airbag jeans, around 399, designed to inflate and protect your upper legs. Not bad. Safety is number one priority. So it's got a nitrous thing in there. But is that tube going to be on the inside of your trousers? Will that not feel uncomfortable? Pocket of air. Okay, let's have a carry on looking. They've got like a pros and cons. So they've got a little tethered system. So not only do you have your jacket tethered in, you have to have your trousers as well. So you got two like big umbilical cords basically. Okay, should you come off the motorcycle, the cord leads down to something similar to a dead man's switch, and with a metal ball holding back a spring-loaded piston under heavy tension. In the event of a fall, the cord will pull out and ball, allowing to pin. Okay, is it uncomfortable though, is my question. This means no problem to swap gas canisters. Okay, so I think we've heard about inflatable jackets, but have you heard about inflatable jeans? Yes, they have come out. You get a little canister on them, and they basically puff up to save your hips and your main arena, the main bit that you want to crown jewels. No, legs, I think. It's not really going to be that. But yeah, anyway, so it's a system that is designed to keep you a little bit safe. MCN covered it. You can see it just gets a little bit more like you've been gym leg day, and it gives you a bit more muscular inflation. Airbag jeans, are they worth it? About £500 kind of arena. I think I get the idea. In 2018, creator Moses told MCN, I started working on it, and then I created the company and relaunched the brand Mocycle, who now produce the product. Definitely worth checking out. Interesting. The jacket's a great idea. Maybe they should make a combo of the two that are like in between, so you got a best of both worlds, because right now you'll have to have two leads going to your bike if you fall off. Motorcycle jeans, definite consideration. I would test them out. I reckon I would, because you're gonna wear jeans anyway. But do they have protection in addition? Well, actually, wait a minute. Do you need protection in addition to the airbags? Because the protection would be when you fall off, they're gonna cover you anyway, I'm assuming. Okay, a quick little article here. Who needs a big adventure bike? So we've got two options here. These are, what are these powered up? Lighter. Okay, I've got two bikes here. One is a Yamaha Tenere 700 and a KTM 890. I would even go further than that. Why not get the smaller versions of these? There's an Adventure 390 in the KTM, and maybe a BMW 310 GS, that's the baby one. That's meant to be quite good, like not fully off-road, but I'll class that as smaller, wouldn't I? That was an interesting quick little article there. But the main event of today is, people, you need to be watch your backs, people. They have got some covert speed cameras out there. What does that mean? It means they're hiding in normal vans, so you can't tell it's a speeding capturing device. But if you see any of these funny windows, please deploy unmarked camera van in bid to snare speeding motorists. Holy moly, mate. Just keep your eyes open, people. And you should be riding at a safe speed anyway, so try not to go totally mad. There you go. So normally that's what it looks like, so you know there's a van there, but that's what they're doing now. They've even gone grey. Is it a money grab scheme? You let me know in the comments. Love to hear from you. Oh my days, mate. Unmarked cameraman. Please deploy unmarked cameraman. That is like the worst news a motorcyclist could hear or would want to hear. Oh, okay, I like this one. But no. I like this one, but no. You know why? I'm not a big sports bike fan after having the R6 for so long. If you're in the market for a new motorcycle and you're on an A2 license, MCN did a nice little video on YouTube. Make sure to check that out, where they actually give you a breakdown in like the motorcycles. So their videographer has basically gone out and brought himself a bike, and he looks through 3 bike options. It's an interesting article. But if you're thinking about an A2 motorcycle, what other options? You've got Honda CB500, BMW GS 10R, Ducati Scrambler 62, Honda CB500X, KTM Duke 390, MT-03, Yamaha R3, Kawasaki Ninja 400. There's loads of options out there. Just keep your eyes open and see what you think will work for you. Do you want a sports bike? Do you want like a commuter? Why not get a scooter, mate? Scooters are in the moment. A2 compliant motorcycles is where you want to be, mate. A2 I've got a nice little fun article for you last that I'm going to give you a bonus article, which is going to give you an idea of scooter. There was like a scooter sidecar thing going on recently. Scooter sidecar. I just closed the article down by mistake. So let's go here. There we go. It was an MCN, by the way. So, is it time to get yourself a scooter, people? Scooting sidecars. Oh my days. Okay, so that's like Wallace and Gromit style, isn't it? Is it cool? It will basically hold you back, won't it? Would you ride that? Maybe if you got a pet and you got a dog and you want to sit your dog in the side, okay. But scooters already don't have a lot of power. If you're going to be carrying along another sidecar with you, I don't know. What do you think about that? It seems like an interesting option. As always, this episode has been made possible by trustedcreators.org. If you're looking for sponsorship or you create content regularly online, make sure you check out trustedcreators.org. Go to the bottom. You can actually get sponsorship to help you with your gear or like advice and stuff to set up your own online content if you're thinking about that. So check that out. There's a form you can fill out and you can also be creating content online. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next episode.